This is Suwannee Belle landing over on the Suwannee River. I'm getting some peel and eat shrimp. It's a pretty nice little place. I put in just up the road here, up the river, in Joe Anderson Park, and there's the Fanning Springs over there. There's the bridge over there. And this place is just open now. Pretty nice. And they have an upstairs as well. Now the river is really, really low right now, as you can see. But I've never seen it this low, but then again, I don't come here every day. There's my little ski. I need to wear my knee pads. I need to wear my gloves to get up on this dock right now. And I need some goggles because I got my ski up to 40 miles an hour today, which is the first time since I've had it, since I got it in March. 40 miles an hour, that's a lot for me. They have an upstairs, and they have all kinds of beer. It's a pretty nice little place. You can drive to it, just go like you're going to Joe Anderson Park. They got some beer, a little bit. And they just opened like literally probably a week or so, a couple weeks. Yeah. And they got this live band that's going to be going over here in a minute. Cool.
Yesterday was 12 weeks. We only lived here 3 months. So we already, it's getting out there. We're going to be in the swamp.
You're going to be swamped even more. You're going to be swamped even more. I'm going to put this on the good old Facebook. Here we go. Come on in for a beer. Look at it. Hi, fellas. In case you're thirsty or hungry. They got good steak and shrimp and stuff here.
I don't know, but every time, that's why I never stop still, because it's back. And I don't have enough time to go around.
Okay, let's see what the upstairs is looking like, what the view is up there. I'm waiting for my shrimp. I'm getting 6 huge peel and eat shrimp that's hot. You can have them hot or cold. Ooh, look at that. Oh, it's all indoors. Oh, nice. Yeah. It's a big room in there. Yeah, it smells so good. Oh boy. Look at that. No bugs to bug ya. There's my ski. Right, it's going to get bounced around. Well, it's pretty nice room in here. We got painting. It's a manatee. Smells so yummy. Must have some convention rooms or something in here. Look at over here. Isn't that nice? It's so shallow. Yeah. That's what the upstairs is like. And this is the parking area. Yeah. Hi.
Sorry.
Oh, I'm sorry for me. I'm in your way.